Hey friends! Today, I'm stoked to share this chips machine, perfect for home and business, with both cooling and heating. It's got a world-first patented intelligent cooling system, locks in the perfect low temp for kneading dough or whipping cream, no sweat. Powered by a 550-watt DC brushless motor, it has 11 speeds and real-time temp control, knead, whip, mix, down. Plus, add accessories to mince meat, roll dough, make noodles, you name it. Food-grade stainless steel, check. Meets EU-US standards, double check. Ready to unlock more baking fun? Grab yours today.